We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. And right now we're looking at this flat. And if we get any buy, we will take the trade. But the best thing is if this one give us one more drop, because what we have here technically, we can look for one more drop. And I need to highlight most of the charts we get this move. And as I mentioned, based on technical analysis, we can get one more drop, and this is the best things because we're looking at this flat and we want to look for reversal. If this one turn to deeper move, it can give us better reversal if we get for trade. But if the price reverse from here, also we can expect the price reverse from here. If the price from reverse from here, either by having entry above the top or we look for the sharp move flag, we can take the trade. But still, I prefer this one turn to deeper move before we get the reversal. And if we get anyway, we're looking at this one as a flat. If we get any trade setup for buy, we're looking for target at 0.127 following by 0.137. Okay, and we don't have anything else to discuss. And if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Price almost take it, but the best was if the price could break. Anyway, we don't need to care about that. Still, we can look for buy as a short term. And the only thing is we should have the proper management, because we should know that we're buying. If you look at this one as a correction, bigger correction, we're buying almost at the top of this correction. The best things is if we could, to buy at the lowest price. Anyway, we have been looking for buy, and even we discuss whoever get the trade, they have to start to at least book some profit. And if I move to daily chart, you want to see what we have based on daily chart. We don't have anything. Mostly we can expect the price to correct, consolidate here before we get the reversal. That's why if we want to trade based on lower time frame, we should have the proper management. We don't have anything to anything else to discuss. The only thing is still we can look for buy, and any buy, we, as I mentioned, we're looking for the flat. We should have the proper management. Beside that, can we expect this one to give us one more drop? Because we mentioned we want this one turn to a deeper, can we look for sell? If we get any sell from here as a short term, also I prefer to look for. That means if I get one more drop, then from there we can look for reversal. The reason is why we can take, if I get a sell, I consider as a short term, I take the trade in case this is the start of the down move. That's why if we get any sell, we take it as a short term. As long as it moved to the profit, we start to manage, at least move our stop loss to break even, just let it go. If there is a continuation, we can keep. If not, just take with the trade. Anyway, this sell is just, it depends on the traders, and it depends on whether we can get the sell set up or not, if this one turns to a deeper move. But for longer term, we're looking for the flat for buy, as what I discussed. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.